If you want to save your favorite pins for easy access on Pinterest, here's a quick guide on how to mark pins as favorites. Let's start. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Next, go to one of your boards by tapping on your profile icon and selecting a board you want to work on. Scroll through your board and find a pin you'd like to favorite. To do this, tap on the star icon below the pin. You can save as many pins as you want as favorites this way. Now, I'll show you a second way to do it. Find the pin you want and press and hold it. Then slide your finger toward the star icon, and the pin will be saved among your favorites. You can repeat these steps to favorite more pins on the same board or any of your other boards. Let me show you where to find them. To view all your favorited pins on a board, go back to the board and find the filter icon on the right side. Tap on it and filter pins by type. Select favorites, and only your marked pins will appear. And that's it. Now you can keep track of all your favorite pins in one place. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more digital tips.